Pagod na ba kayo sumabak ng daan dito sa Commonwealth Avenue dahil sa rush hour traffic? Or baka naman gusto niyo lang maghanap ng lugar dito sa Commonwealth Avenue para mapadali ang buhay niyo? Tara! This video is just for you. Welcome to Verde Special. This is located along Commonwealth Avenue in Quezon City, an emerging central business district regarded as the most competitive city. And beside me is the Emirate 7. This is ongoing construction. It will be finished in around 2025. And the nearest drop-off area ends the Doña Carmen and near the Pure Gold North. It is a walking distance going to the Verde Special. Quezon City is the prime city in NCR, and it also has a close access route going to the further north, to Bulacan and to Pampanga. It is also adjacent route going to Marikina, Caloocan, and Valenzuela. So, let's go further to Nix, nandun sa kabilang kwarto, at explain po niya ang mga susunod.
Sure bro, no problem and it's my pleasure. Alika, samahan niyo po ako. So kung magagaling po kayo sa EDSA, dire-diretso lang po kayo para makita niyo po si Commonwealth Avenue. Then from Commonwealth Avenue, makikita niyo po si Quezon Memorial Circle. And Commonwealth Avenue, just go straight and makikita niyo na po si Verde Special. So ano nga bang convenient about this area? Kasi malalapit lang po mga mall dito like si Evergotesco, si Pure Gold, Wilcon Depot, SM Fairview at magkakatabi na rin si Robinsons at si Ayala Terrace. At sa pagdating sa norte naman, si SM North at si Trinoma at si UP Town Center. So ang pinakamalalapit na school natin dito ay si PUP, si FEU, si Miriam College, Ateneo de Manila, and si UP. And kung gusto niyo naman mag-relax pagdating sa weekend with your family, with your friends, dito naman tayo pwede mag-enjoy and relax sa Lamesa Eco Park. It is just 2.1 kilometers away from Verde Special. And pag may mga emergency nangyari, malapit din tayo sa New Era General Hospital, Commonwealth Hospital and Medical Center, and East Ave Medical Center. Pagdating naman sa transport terminal, meron din tayong mga public utility vehicle, meron din tayong train station, which is sabi po ni Mace kanina, isa sa MRT Doña Carmen, at mga worship centers natin, like si Iglesia ni Cristo and St. Peter Parish Church. So, Mace, tapos na po ako. Explain, back to you.
Napaka-solid naman nun, Migs. Maraming salamat. At right now, nandito po tayo sa entrance ng Verde Special. So, from here on my left side, dito po talaga ang entrance for the car. Secured po yan. And dito naman ang Verde Special entrance. So, if we go in, papakita po namin sa inyo ang 2-bedroom furnished unit. From the entrance, mapati po tayo ng mabuti security guard dito sa left side. And may makikita po tayong model scale unit is dito sa right side. Gumagana na rin po ang ating elevator. At dito, pupunta tayo diretso sa furnished model unit. Ngayon natapos lang natin tour dito sa 2-bedroom furnished unit. Gusto nyo ba makita ang ating amenities? Napakaganda. Tara, samahan niyo po ako. So papunta sa amenity area, ay pupunta tayo dito sa elevator. Just go down. Moving. At dito sa B2. And turn left here. At makikita po natin ang the wonderful swimming area. So how do you find the place? Pretty solid, di ba? So if you want to schedule a viewing or to inquire, my message are just down here. So, my name is Mix Conseco, your friendly neighborhood agent, and I gotta bounce. Skadoosh!